Silver TV anopay yaba yede nsem no ede ebramnra numre no ebram de video no ba me catch us say Asante Kotoko team no technical meeting. So ya pick signals kakra every technical meeting na say yede ebramo enya no pe yenya the scouting report of Samates so ewa hapa be real Samates scouting report and what you should expect from coach Nuruddin Adam. Two teams in the be hatomo. Send you be informed ahead of game at so 3 p.m. and then a summer boy. Last season Kotoko show away with coach Orlando Wellington. That time na coach Sedu Zebu na Araho Samaton ama neba Efrimu. Na Orlando Wellington ko release our match no Kotoko share Samates. The next game at Kotoko was against Midiama in the Ghana Premier League. Emma Chese Zebu Etinefie Luzui by 2-0. That was a very tough game for most Asante Kotoko fans. Na Chese na Omojono Hokrana Omontiasia. And after the game, Coach Zebu was fired. Good. Kotoko at this point is not in a good position because official league table now. FC Samates were 13 points. And Asante Kotoko just 1 point off the relegation. Teams are relegation. Kotoko the 15th position. 10 points with -1 goal. Karela United 9 points. Nations FC 8. And Heart of Lions 7. So what it means is that Kotoko me a good result. Don't forget that Nations this weekend against Heart of Lions. So a win for a year team of Nations FC. Even raising Nations at the Omakwa Kudra a year what we call 11 points, and they will be 1 point more than Kotoko if Kotoko is losing the game and Kotoko bet me a drop out by relegation zone. That is the conversation I'm in out and I'm pay. Should Nations defeat Heart of Lions? Now Kotoko intimia sha Kotoko be drop out by relegation zone. Now last season, me catch us Kotoko share Samates. The next game was against Midiama. And this season Kotoko ebo Samates away we are. The next game in Midiama ewo home at the Papaya Sports Stadium. Chat nato. And I said chat no entry. Referee friend Ayaba Ibrahim on the big game no or a police officer. Na Kotoko last away game and because police officer we could and uncle if you be watching Kotoko in the last away games, Nations and Nshuatremai, there been some controversy surrounding referees. Nations the engineer with the see and Nshuatremai engineer with their Maxwell Hansen as so So let's wish that the team will get the best of luck, especially from officiating a referee Ayaba Ibrahim. Not 30 matches for Zone 1, Division 1. But now he's been promoted to the Premier League. Last year, 2022, I'm promoted by Premier League. So let's see how this referee will conduct himself and get the job going. There is a news concerning Asante Kotoko bonus structure, which in Penifwasasano as a way to motivate them. Apart from press conference now, Kotoko team to engage the fans and let the fans know what is going on in the team from the technical and from the administrative point. Behind the scenes, they've worked on the winning bonus of Asante Kotoko players. Now there are some new conditions and new bonuses are introduce at the Asante Kotoko players. And yes, hope and see. Say, I don't want to go to the specifics. I have the figures here. They say no, we need 2 matches back to back. Menyan NTS package we need 4 matches twice. Menyan NTS there is a new package for the players. So we need home away, baby, we need home. And now we need home away 4, and also share happened for they have 2 players in him. That was even before some press conference on Wednesday. Until Monday, after Kotoko lose to Dreams, the response led to so many meetings behind the scenes, and that package, the 2 players in the Makacha Asante Kotoko by 27, 26, and even 28. Within those 3 days, depending on bank or Sikafan, now I reflect our accounts more. Because the players are paid earlier now, there's no outstanding debt or anything for the players. In the so now that you know the league table, the scary aspect is that Team FC Samatex and Nana Meka were about 4 matches for home. Were considered just a goal, and was shared 10 and all 12 points. So that's the home form of FC Samatex. Oba Asante Kotoko, our away form, you all know the Ghana Premier League. We are the 3rd best away team, even though Kotoko recorded 2 defeats. That was against Changes-Dwamena and Bebian Go Stars. Looking at the nature of the Ghana Premier League, teams in time really were away. So the best away team is Diana with 6 points. We really 2 matches were away. And you talk about the medium also we need 2 matches. Without Lagos Cities, any team friend Bechem United. Kotoko so really 1 away game, about draw 1, making it 4 points, no lose 2. So Kotoko, based on the Ghana Premier League standard, it's a force to work on when it comes to away games. Because there are most of the teams are away no who we need. You can talk about Nations FC, Lagos Cities, even Samatex Nankasa. We lose 4 away games, about draw 1. And that is why our 13 points, 12 from home, 1 point from away. It's Samatex strength home. They make sure they win at their home games. And even away, they are here to score a goal away matches on our ball. That is how serious it is for Samatex. No away goal. But we set 10 so home strength massive. Now let me run you through the main reason why we are here. And that is the conversations across and the scouting report from Samatex. Kotoko 20-man squad, me monitor Danlad Ibrahim, Frederick Kasare, Augustine Japan. And Augustine Japan, I'm expecting some improvement because behind the scenes, there's been a lot of work on Augustine Japan. Say, yeah, the results I'll come and talk about it and give credit to those credits I see at the moment. And then you get Nicolas Osebonsu, Nana Benini, Yusuf Mohammed, Nuruddin, Henry Ansu Sharif Mohammed as the backline. Amuna, a 20-man squad. 4 defensive midfielder, Rocky Dwamena, Michael Dwamena, Ando Sintimen, and a Justice Play. Attacking midfielders, my main form of wingers in account. So there's no Bernard Somwa, but there's Peter Akwa, George Mfegue, Kalu Watara, Steve Mukwala, Eric Zeze, Shadrach Ado, Enoch Morrison. Omina Eka team no ho. Ewo Asante Kotoko squad a unde akwa kopiemu ewo summer boy. Now let's go to the specific. Makacho say former Keyeke coach. Fen Nuruddin Adama ono the coach for Samatex. Onne Kwame Ba goalkeeper. I friend Kofi Ba. Onne na ye adwuma Keyeke pen. I witnessed that guy. The 3 years kakra. I have for this on now on the year Juma ho. I team friend Keyeke. Enti or any goalkeeper. Or Keyeke. That time na Frank Boateng so ho. Enti of course Samatex no atam na ade ho. Enti Kofi Ba will be the goalkeeper for Samatex. Right back for Samatex. Based on Scouter and Saka. Samuel Mensah Tete. Or suggestion number 2 right back. Samuel Mensah Tete. On never ball. Ebenezer Aqua. Jesse number 30. On there Gordon Ebusuya. On there Godwin Ebusuya. On never ball 4 and 5. Now Isaac Afo. Depending on the fitness of Ebenezer Edusian on left back. But it looks like them picking and say on Senanya fully fit. On the captain for the main captain for Samatex. But I'm picking say Isaac Afo on the ball as the left back. Emmanuel Keyeke. Say Ebenezer Edusian went me about there. Emmanuel Keyeke. Emmanuel Edusian went to me about there. There's a man Emmanuel Keyeke and a captain. Was on the deputy captain for Samatex. JC number 6. Dauda Yusuf Seydou. This is number 28. Solid boy. Dauda. How do you feel for your pa? Bobby. Richmond Darko. I'm gonna add a 3-man midfield. And then they may pick free Samatas. But Emmanuel Keyeke, Dauda Yusuf Seydou, and Richmond Darko as the 3-man in the middle. Our front trainer there obvious will be any dada. Baba Musa, Hamidou, Jesse number 11. Evans Osewusu, Jesse number 17, and Emmanuel Mamah. Oh no, Jesse number 20. This is where it gets serious. Baba Musa and Evans Owusu, Haken Pa. Samates, they keep a compact midfield. Midfield no short. Na attack no. Use wings no. Emmanuel Mamah, very good in the air. What it means is that the Kotoko 2 and 3. Asante Kotoko 2 and 3. And you might guess here and the Damaso. Because man to tell me yeah. Baba Musa operating from the wings, Baba Wanu Abehow. Evans operating from the wings, Wanu Abehow. So they should be very, very careful. Maybe also be Kofi Ba, Samuel Mensa Tete, right back, Isaac Afo, Gordon Abusia, and Ebenezer Aqua. No Abenya, Emmanuel Keyeke, Dauda Yusuf Seydou, and Richmond Darko. Ebenezer Okra will be on the bench. That is what I'm picking. Baba Musa, Hamidou on the wings, Evans Uzu on the wings, and Emmanuel Mamah as the front three for Team Friend Samatas. Kotoko 2 and 3. Mo Edumaye. Kotoko midfielders. Dauda Yusuf, Emmanuel Keyeke, Richmond, Darko, Mo Edumaye, a 4-3-3 system. Coach in the side about the ball working face a 4-3-3 system. Without the ball, they drop deep number by F5. Both say Evans Baba, Baba Musa Baba, no major Baku, and they operate with counter. Kotoko function also. Now let's go to Asante Kotoko technical meeting, the course on and now I'm a possible lineup in but I insisted 7 ball and now I drop it around a year. Me drop a possible lineup no around 8 and I'm a catcher or say Asante Kotoko team there from what I'm picking goalkeeping department becomes very tricky to say who will be the goalkeeper. But guess Japan will operate on the right back for Nicholas Osebo's left back. We confirm what I said Sharif Mohammed or then Yusuf Nuruddin the number 4 and 5. Now in the middle, and I change this here based on the new and common course. Andrews in team menu is starting. Good. Now there was a suggestion that another may catch us Morrison. They are planning on using him from the middle. That was training. At the point, my mom is about 15 and 10 in here. But there was another school of thought said, looking at Samates, how strong their system there. So when the Changes-Dwamena Morrison, they will probably be his first start of the season if you are using him. Now, about Morrison, also in the middle, as well form a new front three. A new middle three. So the school of thought was, then they should go back to Andrews Intimenu and Michael Changes-Dwamena. Good. Between Inti and Che, they know themselves. For them to operate as pivot 1 and pivot 2 in the middle. Now, I'm fast as a mom, and make them Finfi. Very familiar. There's a name Andrews ball last week. Before that, no my training. Che any Andrews are bopping. The enquire new midfield composition. Looking at Dauda Yusuf Seydou, Emmanuel Keyeke, and Richmond Darko. Send your mom in the middle. Good. That is what is coming in. Michael Che, Andrews Intimenu, Ezeze looks possible as the midfield 3. Morrison will go to the wings. Kalu will lead. And for what I'm picking, it looks like they feel that Peter Aqua coming from the bench than he's starting. So Mukwala and now Mfegue on the wings, don't be surprised. So Morrison will go to the wings for Kalu. It will be so Umukwala. Now Mfegue, don't be surprised. This is the possible 11 as at the Nanopa, based on the technical meetings at both teams and the scouting reporter. Bensaka, every team of FC Samates. And a man dropping the million. My head 2 teams in Edding Command Peke, how they all operate. Keyeke is the master of the middle. Dauda is for strength. Dako, half 8, half 6. And Obi Juma, Edema Samates. But the heartbeat of Samates midfield is former Asante Kotoko. Or midfield and friend Emmanuel Keyeke. Or Hajimpa. Then you have Abrante friend Baba Musa. Abakacho said they all cutting. Without the ball, they drop. Obiya Bona, they cutting. So Baba Musa is a good threat. Ivan Sowusu is also a good threat. But Ivan Sowusu will pace and are very fast in front of their home fans. What time we need fouls and the Samates based on the scouting reporter, Bensaka. It say Nicolas was saying Bozu. But that was sign are very careful. Augustine Japan, but that side they are very careful because easily they will punish you. That is what I'm picking. And I don't pay about Twitter. This is Ome TV. And we are Bibiato from Bima. Yeah, the bedroom.